I know many people are curious about the actual design process. This is a school for those who want to understand my design approach and the priorities I follow to create beautiful spaces. Put flowers in it. It's kind of wide though. You don't want to put like hydrangeas or peonies in it. This is so beautiful. You need someone who can push you while at the same time calm you. I actually do not agree with determining your design style. I think it can be a vague starting point. And then you really need to develop your own design instincts. My job is to train you in this. And our Facebook group aids in this as well. Possibly the most important classes that we have are the ones where I do live design consultations in your own home. I would love for you to come along with us to one of these design consultations. Before you can effectively decorate your own house, you have to address the clutter that's already there. If you stick with us, we will hit each one of these areas. We systematically work our way through our entire homes over the course of 1 year. A home is only as good as the relationships and the hearts within those four walls. If you start to allow jealousy and discontentment into your heart, it will affect the quality of your home. The Bible speaks to this, and it calls us to a deeper beauty and purpose in our decorating. Understand what is holding you back as a DIY decorator. I'm Sarah Phillips, and this is my design school.